All right, you had four mentees who made presentations to you, and you picked just two out of them. What made you pick these two? What was that striking thing? What was that striking idea that they brought to the table that made you pick these two out of the four?
Really, it wasn't about anything striking. They were very honest with their assessment of themselves. They were very specific and they said, look, I need help with XYZ areas. And I think that if you ask for direction, you cut your journey in half. So it wasn't about confidence like, oh, no. I just thought this person actually knows that she's overwhelmed and she's reaching out to say, can you help me? And I think I know a thing or two, not like I know everything, but I've been there, I've done that to some extent. So I can actually lend a helping hand. For a guy, I'm doing something with AgriComs, and he had some palm oil idea, and I thought it was really useful what he was doing. The other lady was doing something with disadvantaged children and women, and she was saying, I need help, and I think this is a very important thing she's doing. But for the others that I didn't pick, what I told them was, I'll be in touch. I do other mentorship things with young people. So I said I will be in touch, but for Mara Mentor and my commitment in terms of time and everything, these are the two I can handle. But outside of that, I would still be in touch with all four, or even more of them.
Yeah. This is the first time Mara Mentor is coming to Nigeria. What do you think is the future of Mara Mentor?
You see, what Mara Mentor is doing is very important. We have this gap between people who have been there and people who want to go somewhere. And a lot of times there's no passing of the baton to say, okay, we're done, we've learned this, and this is how you can, So people are just lost, working the wrong jobs, looking for work. And there's no, I say it a lot that we have a lot of silo intervention, silo working, no collaboration, no partnership. Mara Mentor brings everybody together and says, we know you don't know everything. The one that you know, please tell us. And I think it's important.
Thank you so much. All the best with your mentees.